everyone, welcome back.
Have you ever wanted to order food in English but didn't know what to say?
Today, you'll learn real English through a simple delivery conversation.
Useful expressions, natural pronunciation, and everyday vocabulary.
So grab your headphones, relax, and let's order some food in English.
Hello, I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Sure. What would you like?
What do you have?
We have pizza, burgers, pasta, and salads.
I'll take a pizza.
Great. What type? Margarina, chicken, or pepperoni?
What do you recommend?
The chicken pizza is very popular.
Okay. What's in the chicken pizza?
It comes with chicken, cheese, tomato sauce, and onions.
Sounds good. I'll take a chicken pizza.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like to add extra cheese or mushrooms?
Yes, extra cheese.
Anything to drink?
Yes, 1 bottle of water.
Can I have your address?
It's 12 Green Street, near the supermarket.
Perfect. Your order will arrive in about 30 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Great job listening until the end.
Practice these sentences again, and your English will sound more natural every day.
Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and see you next time.